Have you ever run into a situation where your SQL queries just don't behave as expected? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the quirks of using select top with union and order by in SQL. I totally get it. You write a query, expecting it to return results in a specific order, but it just doesn't. You're not alone in this struggle. Many SQL users face similar issues, and it can be quite confusing. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, why does using union all with two select top statements not respect the order by clause? This is a common point of confusion, so let's break it down. To understand this issue, we need to look at how SQL processes queries. When you use union all, the order by clause only applies to the final result set, not to the individual select statements. This is why you're seeing unexpected results. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a workaround that can help you achieve the results you want without the confusion. To understand why query 2 does not respect the order, we need to look at how the union all operator works. The user should know that when using union all, each select statement is executed independently. In query 2, the user selects the top 5 records from each table separately. However, the order by clause at the end applies only to the final result set, not to each individual select statement. This means that the results from both select statements are combined first, and then the order by clause is applied to the entire result set. This can lead to unexpected results, especially if the top records from each table do not align as intended. In contrast, the workaround in query 3 uses common table expressions, or CTEs. This allows the user to apply the order by clause to each individual select statement before combining the results. By structuring the query this way, the user ensures that the top records from each table are selected based on the desired order, leading to the expected results. Fun fact, did you know that SQL was developed in the early 1970s? It has come a long way since then, but some quirks still remain. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to encapsulate the union all statement within a subquery. This method allows you to first combine the results from both tables and then apply the order by clause to the entire result set. Now, let's see a response from a different user. This user points out a key difference between query 2 and query 3. They explain that the order by clause in query 1 is crucial. Without it, the top clause can return a random set of records. The sorting happens after the random rows are selected, leading to unexpected results. Here's the pro tip. Always remember that order by applies to the final result set when using union. Using CTEs can help you control the order of your data more effectively. And there you have it. Understanding how union and order by work together can save you a lot of headaches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more SQL tips and tricks.